Enter the world of mighty clunkers, where you will discover incredible driving skills. Face off against giant trucks, challenging monster machines, and fearless drivers. Ready to conquer the impossible? Buckle up, jump into the driver's seat, and start this thrilling and unexpected adventure. Are you ready to try it? It's scary to imagine yourself behind the wheel of a truck with dead brakes. However, the DOT tested a 58,000-pound sand truck to test the dead brake system and saw its harmful effects.
We're still evaluating this,
So,
but
be a safe driver and be aware of the importance of traffic safety to protect yourself on the road. Rescuing crude oil tankers. We're going to a place where roads won't be a problem anymore. This car charts its own course and overcomes these challenges. It will only be a memory when we go further, surpassing all current limits. It's impressive to see the Soviet Kraz in action. With a 400 horsepower engine and a payload of up to 44,000 lbs, this is an all-terrain monster truck that can handle anything. It easily tackles bumpy and dusty roads, making it ideal for mining, construction, and rescue sites, especially in harsh conditions. Are you curious about how to transport a giant machine weighing 950 tons from Gebeng to Kwantonport without any problems? Please like and share your views. Bennett's Quarry in New South Wales, Australia is one of the important quarries providing high-quality limestone and granite for construction and infrastructure projects. Here, the giant T-Rex RH170 excavator, with a load capacity of up to 880,000 pounds, easily loaded and unloaded onto a 220,000-pound truck with just a few shovel strokes, plays an important role in improving the mining process. This duo's combination of power and precision has helped improve mining productivity at mines around the world, from North America to Europe to Asia. I am very impressed with the performance of this truck. It seems like it wants to prove its ability to conquer terrain to everyone. John, a young truck driver, had a terrifying night when his vehicle overturned on a slippery slope in Colorado. Fortunately, the Jamie DeVries towing rescue team quickly arrived and rescued him safely. John shared, "I'm really grateful to the rescue team for saving my life. Seeing my truck severely damaged, I felt very shocked. but I also admired their professionalism and dedication. Oh my God!
Oh shit!
A challenging task was just completed when the second 40-ton cable reel was transported to the top of Plain Mort at an altitude of 2,700 meters, overcoming difficult mountain terrain. Engineers and workers worked non-stop for 5 days to ensure the safe and accurate transportation process, demonstrating professionalism and skill in their work. That's great control skill. Taking a difficult turn in the ALV-TRA-NSPOR TS Grumier is a truly impressive challenge. The mighty Grumier, with a load capacity of up to 88,000 pounds, fully equipped with modern technology, successfully conquered a tight curve only 13 feet wide, where other vehicles could hardly move. With precise and skillful operation, the driver showed steadfast spirit when driving the vehicle through difficult terrain. Don't let the appearance fool you. It's old, but still very good quality. Sweat poured down on the crane operator's forehead, his eyes never leaving the Tatra loaded with wood stuck on a slippery road that was gradually being pulled up. Every wrong move can lead to serious consequences: broken cables, overturned vehicles, or even work accidents. Pressure is heavy on the shoulders of those working in these harsh conditions. On Wednesday morning, February 9, 2022, a broken excavator on the Volme River overturned due to rising water levels following heavy rain. Although the incident happened a few days ago, rescue work could not be done soon due to strong currents. Hagen firefighters, divers, and the volunteer fire department assisted in the rescue. 2 60-ton cranes were used, and after 4 hours, the excavator was successfully recovered. Do you have any way to tow a Trawl Tatra 380 stuck on sandy roads? Also welcoming, James R. Barker arrived in Duluth this evening and wowed the crowd with an impressive welcome, bringing an exciting summer evening. This giant ship, 1,004 feet long and with a tonnage of 1 million pounds, will begin loading iron ore pellets, preparing for the long journey at sea. What a historic event for Inner Kitchen. The new MIB Railway is not simply a transport route, but also a symbol of the development and modernization of the region. This new 20 km long railway will help reduce the load on more than 10,000 trucks every day on main roads, while boosting the local economy with quick connections to industrial and commercial centers. This is probably a great video of transportees Montajo from Colombia moving a mine dumper. It's great to see their work. I wonder if this is the truck or boat I know? It glides over the muddy road like a boat gliding over water in the ocean. Bowman made the whole of Germany turn heads when it launched a fleet of 5 super long and super heavy trucks, ready to conquer all roads, transporting huge volumes of goods with ease. Transporting a portal crane is like moving a miniature building. Imagine a giant structure weighing approximately 1,320,000 pounds, divided into small parts, then carefully assembled again at a completely new location. Each detail, each connection must be calculated accurately, requiring the ingenuity and experience of a team of engineers and workers, and can take several weeks or even months to complete. Wow! The Oshkosh convoy looked like a steel monster trudging through the desert. Dust kicked up, obscuring the sky, creating a majestic scene. Hurry to get in the car and watch the process of transporting Cat 797F to the new workplace. It was the most epic transport scene as the truck carrying the monster on its back moved forward.